Children, I am Priyanka Goyal. Today we will continue the 10th chapter of Geography of Class 6. Children, in my previous video, I explained you about the four main spheres of the Earth. First one is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. I already explained about the lithosphere, all land area of the Earth, and I explained about the hydrosphere also, the all water area on the earth. Now today I will explain you about the third sphere of the earth, that is atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases up to the approximate height of 852,000 kilometer. The layer of various gases is called atmosphere. The atmosphere can be seen with the naked eyes. Various gases, water vapor, dust, particles of asteroids, salt particles and even microorganisms, insects are mixed with the atmosphere. Atmosphere is colorless, odorless, tasteless as well as transparent. Atmosphere comprises of solid, liquid and gaseous matters. Major gases in atmospheres are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and ozone, etc. The atmosphere near the Earth's surface is dense. As we go above the Earth's surface, ratio of most of the gases in the atmosphere decreases. Since carbon dioxide is heavy gas, it is dense in the lower strata of the air and decreases in the above strata. The presence of carbon dioxide after the height of about 20 kilometers, oxygen after height of 110 kilometers and nitrogen after the approximate height of 130 kilometers is seen decreasing. At high altitude there are only light gases like hydrogen and helium. See children, you can see this through this diagram. Height of gases in atmosphere. The ratio of ozone gas in atmosphere is very less. This gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays of sun and protects the planet from the excessive heat of the sun. This gas mostly prevails in the open ground at the time of early morning. In the same way, its ratio is more than air around the seashore. That is why people go for morning walks in such places, because ozone is healthier gas. Due to the various particles in atmosphere, sunlight is seen spreading on the earth. It doesn't become dark or bright suddenly. Sky colors of dawn before sunrise, dusk after sunset are because of dust particles. The rays are reflected through the dust particles and we get sunlight. Sound can be heard with the medium of atmosphere. The waves of sound and light are reflected in the atmosphere and returns to the Earth's surface, so that transmission of radio and television become possible. Heavenly objects such as meteoroids burn due to the friction of atmosphere and get damaged. Thus, atmosphere proves as a natural shield for the earth. Okay children. Now, fourth sphere is biosphere, the part of environment like lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Wherever living beings is seen alive is called biosphere. Biosphere is comprised of variety of life forms. This living sphere includes human, vegetation and animal life. Living beings on the earth surface gets food from biosphere. Organisms of biosphere provide variety of food and raw material to the human world. Thus existence and subsistence of human life is based on biosphere. Impact of human activities. Biosphere is mostly in the balanced condition, but when human disturbance disrupts the equilibrium of the system, then only many problems arise. Natural food chain is at risk because development is being done by exploiting the environment. This condition is harmful for human being as well as environment. So children, this chapter was about the fourth phase of the earth. I hope you understood well. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.